up guys, welcome to Top Phone For You. In today's video I've got the Xiaomi 12s Ultra, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and see what's coming inside the box, and do with a few image sample at the end to test the camera. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. At the front of the box we have the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. This is one of the first collaboration with Leica for the camera. On this side we have the 12s Ultra. This one is the 12 gig RAM and 512 gig storage, and we have the sound tuned by Harman Kardon. At the bottom has high-res audio there, and then a Dolby Vision Atmos. So when we open the box, we have the SIM card ejecting tool there, and we have a plastic case. A quick starter guide. Nothing in there as well. Now we have the phone itself. And inside the box we have a 67 watts charger. This is the Chinese version. Please note, Xiaomi hasn't released a global version yet for this device, so if you want one, you'll have to import it from China. And we have a USB-C to USB-A cable. And that's it, nothing else in the box. Now let's take these rough off. Okay, at the front we have a 6.7 inch LTPO2 AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate, and Dolby Vision Atmos HDR10 Plus, and we have a 32 megapixel punch hole camera at the front. Then on the side we have this side is just plain. On the top we have the infrared blaster there, and then sound by Harman Kardon. We have a speaker grill and the microphone hole in there. On the other side we have the volume up and down, and the power button on there as well. At the bottom we have the SIM card tray, another microphone, a USB-C, and a speaker grill. In terms of the back, it comes with a vegan leather back instead of glass back like the Mi 11 Ultra from last year, and which is quite nice, and no fingerprint at all. As you can see, it's very nice and make the phone look high quality. And the camera, it has a 50 megapixel wide camera, which has a 1-inch sensor. Is one of the biggest sensor on a smartphone. It also has a 48 megapixel periscope telephoto camera on there with the 5 times optical zoom, and a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera as well, with the dual LED lights on there, and there is that gold ring there which looks very nice. It's quite nice and smooth, and you can change the refresh rate on there as a default, which will adapt the screen refresh rate based on what you're playing or what you're doing on the phone, or you can choose to have a customs and allow you to choose between 60 Hz, 90 Hz, or 120. It's very smooth, as you can see there, scrolling, and nice. And then you can set the display resolution to full HD or WQHD plus. has a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus screen protection, and you'll be glad to hear that this phone is IP68 water and dust resistant as well. This phone comes with the latest MIUI 13 based on Android 12, and it has 12 gig of RAM, but you can add an extra 3 gig there as the phone needed, and it's running the latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 as well, and it comes with a 4860 mAh battery. In terms of the cameras, you have tons of features there you could play about to take advantage of the 1-inch sensor. You can just choose authentic or vibrant, and then you can choose to turn on HDR, and you have the AI, and here you can choose a few options there. On this side you have a few settings you can change. You have the Pro mode, which allows you to change the ISO, the lens, and the white balance. Then you can have a document which allow you to scan a few documents. You can choose black and white or original, and then enhanced there as well. And then you have a video, which allow you to record your video. You can turn on HDR on and off. Here you have a few filters you can use there. You can record up to 8K on the rear camera at 60 frames per second. Okay, that's it from me. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new to my channel, to hit the subscribe button and enable notification for my latest video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.